What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel for another update video on the Eazybot and my $15,000 investment for passive income. In this video today, I just want to give a quick update for the last couple of weeks since I've been upgraded to VIP for $1,000. I bought the package, the VIP package, for $1,000. It will last 1 year. We see the remaining time of 301 days. And yeah, it's amazing, guys. It's consistently making profits even in a down market. We can check out coinmarketcap.com real quick, and we see that the Bitcoin price, especially in the last couple of days, really fell apart again. And let's check out the last month. When I updated it to VIP, it was on the 16th or 17th of August right here, and we see 24,000, and the day after that it crashed down. And a couple days ago, it again crashed down. So we were up to 24,800 at the highest point in the month of August. And since that, we went down as far as $19,600. So 20% down. And yeah, we see that the Eazybot is still making profit, guys. So let's check out the bot section right here. And we see Aave is now $188 in profit. And the bot only uses $1,300 for Aave, so that's already like 13-14% profit, which is just amazing. And it's running for 2 months now, so 7% profit, and it's legit, guys. It's really legit. Obviously no financial advice, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so always please make your own research. But every trade they make is legit. Like, you can see every trade in your Binance account because you connect the software, basically, the algorithm Eazybot, through an API connection to your Binance account. So every trade that shows here also shows in your transaction history when you check out Binance. So the trades are legit, the profits are legit, and yeah, for me it's working out amazing. I can put up my spreadsheet real quick here, and we see here we started on the 1st of July with $25 in profit. We had an amazing month of July. We made $354.81 in July. That was worth 5.46% of clear profit, because I had around $6,000 or $7,000 back then in the balance. And on 17th of August, I upgraded it to VIP. Then I think now I have 17 bots, 4, 8, 12, 16, yeah, 17 bots running. Trading $14,100 or 15,000. Like, really upgraded it, doubled down on it. Since then, as you saw, the markets were down, but from $504 back then, we're now up to $629. So even in the last 2 weeks, where crypto went down 20% in the market, we made another $125 profits. Obviously, the month of August not as good as July, but I mean, you cannot expect making 5.5% every month. That would be amazing, obviously, but still, we had 3.84% for the month of August. It should be a little lower because from here I didn't count in the upgrade, so it should be around 3% right now, I think. But yeah, here's the graph. You know, consistently making profits. You will have a couple of days where there are no profits made, or not even any trades, even if the market does move, because it's pretty easy. I mean, it's called Eazybot, but it really is easy. Like, the bot buys when it dips down and it sells when it goes up. It's as easy as it sounds, but it really gets the job done, guys. So yeah, I mean, I'm 600, how much is it? $629.16 in profits for about 2 months. I expect a much higher number for September, because now really trading $14,000 to $15,000, and those $14,000-15,000 are always in my Binance account. You know, so it's as safe as it gets for a trading bot. You don't have to transfer money to any third-party account. You will have it in your Binance account all the time. All those coins are coins traded by Eazybot. So I don't use Binance for any storage. That's all the bots I have here. You know, 17 cryptocurrencies here, 17 cryptocurrencies here. The only cryptocurrency I do not trade is BNB. I have a little bit of BNB, like 0.5 in here for any Binance transaction fees for the trades. Obviously you don't need 0.5 if you trade a normal amount. I think 0.5 is enough even if you trade 50,000 for a couple of days or weeks. But I mean, I don't want to really like check in every hour or day or week. So I just bought a little bit of BNB. So I know I'm safe for the next couple of weeks, and then let me check back in a couple of weeks later and it's still running. It's amazing. It's completely passive. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link down below. But again, it's not 100% risk-free. You know, it's as safe as it gets, from my opinion, in the crypto space and in the trading space. You know, there are a lot of scams out there. I think Eazybot is legit. The whole core team is public. You can search them online. You can talk to them. They have Zoom meetings every day, basically. Every Monday, they have a corporate update call with the whole core team, with the whole founder team. It's amazing. See Coach Ken, Mohammed, and David explaining how the bot works, what's up in the market, what the core team is working on, what kind of updates are coming in the next couple of weeks. It's amazing. They also show live trading accounts every week and give an update on the performance, which is very interesting. There's one trade even from Aave from back in, I think, April, where Aave was at $250 something, where the bot opened up a trade and Aave fell as low as $50, so like more than 80%. And the bot was still making profits down there, and now brought the average buy-in price down to as low as 150, I think. So buying in at 250 and now maybe even closing the whole trade for 150 is just amazing. They already have shown they can close trades with minus 35%, excuse me, with an Ethereum Classic trade where the price was at around $40 and the whole trade could close at 25, which was ridiculous. And yeah, I think just it's a legit thing, and definitely everybody should take a look at it. Make your own decision after that, but I mean, I think you should give it a shot because yeah, it's been amazing for me at least. But that's it for my update. I think that's enough. Yeah, I have 17 bots trading here. I have the VIP package. The VIP package costs, I think, $995. Yeah, so you can start completely free with 2 bots. You don't need to pay anything. The first 2 bots are free to use. If you want to trade more, you can choose the advanced package for $250. You can trade up to 10 coins here, and with the VIP you can trade all available coins. I chose this option, but obviously if you don't have as much capital, or you just don't want to trade as much capital, you can just start for free and see how it works. Yeah, if you need anything more, you can contact me on Telegram, Discord, or even WhatsApp. I'll put the links down below as well. But feel free to comment what you think. Feel free to give me a thumbs up, or even subscribe to the channel if you think this helps you out. But yeah, Eazybot is my most fantastic investment, I think, in myself, even because you don't transfer it anywhere. So let's wrap it up. See you guys. Ciao, ciao.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.